I was saying that can you give me a feedback regarding the session? Was I able to meet your expectation?
Yes, absolutely. You can you reach the expectation because this session helped me and my family too.
Hmm.
Because as a homemaker, I improve myself and obviously I implement to the family.
Yeah.
So it was a lovely section and informative and more knowledgeable.
Thank you. Thank you so much. If you need more details about what I do, you can visit my website ankitamuval.com. I mean, you can also see testimonials, and I am. If you want to connect, you can connect with me on Instagram, or I mean, you can always mail me so that you can educate yourself more, because this is not just something that will help you just for 10 days or 15 days. This program, I mean, that I run, I mean, it helps people lifelong. So, what I call life transforming or life transformation, that is bound to happen if you are able to educate, empower, and that is my goal also. I mean, even after uh, people are done learning through their coursework, I want them to, I want these concepts to stay with them, so that even if when the program is over, they are able to, I mean, the thing that you talked about, it is more about being consistent and being able to follow. It is not just some fad diet. Oh, I got excited, I followed this, I started eating this and that. It is, that is not
Totally
sustainable.
lifestyle changing thing.
Yeah.
It's not about the 3 months thing and that all. It's
Hmm.
totally continues to lifelong.
Yes, more sustainable lifestyle changes, right? So it was.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I was there with you and I learned so much from you today. Thank you. Really, there were some issues, but I mean, in the sense that your mindful eating and everything, I actually suffer from gastritis, and whatever you told me today really made sense. And thank you for this. And thank you for such a wonderful session with us today with the Naturing platform. Hope you also enjoyed it. And
I love this session. It was very informative. And the things I don't know, now I know how to eat food that I never researched about it. Now I know how the food, half of the food is digested in our mouth only. So yeah, I love this session. Now I will implement these on my life. Yeah.
Yeah, all the best. All my best wishes to you.
How to maintain the consistency, right? When we start like physical activity or need to when we start the good things to eat for some time, until 1 week we will maintain same thing. After that 1 week we will give up.
That
That is
happens.
where
That happens, Divya, in the cases I also used to give up when I used to follow dietitians or someone else's plan, because I did not have flexibility. Today I have clients from US, Canada, Europe, even India, and obviously I've not eaten the things that they eat, but I've educated them on the basic principles and what they are not supposed to eat and what they can eat. So instead of, I mean, I can totally understand when you mean, I mean, even I used to feel कि ये कैसे ये शेड्यूल फॉलो करने को बोला है, वो तब तक मुश्किल होता है तब तक आपको बेसिक एनिमीज नहीं पता होते. सो बेसिक एनिमीज यू नो अबाउट, वंस यू नो द बेसिक एनिमीज अबाउट योर बॉडी, एंड देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. मोस्ट ऑफ माय क्लाइंट्स हु आर वर्किंग विमेन एज वेल, दे ऑल्सो से कि अब तो इतना मतलब आसान लगने लगे कि कुछ मुश्किल लगता ही नहीं है. Why? Because first they invested time in understanding what is good and what is bad.
My irregular periods, since last 6 months I don't have period. So how to cure them? I have done every exercise, dieting. I have also taken allopathic medicine which causes my hair loss. And then I switched to different medicine, but nothing cured it.
आयुर्वेदा में एक सिंपल सी चीज़ बोलते हैं, जब आपका खाना पीना रहन सहन सही नहीं है तो कोई मेडिसिन असर नहीं करती, और जब आपका लाइफस्टाइल, आपका खाना पीना सही है तो आपको किसी मेडिसिन की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. आई एम्पैथाइज विद योर पेन, बिकॉज I've been through the same journey, trying different things, and it is all because आपकी जो हमने बॉडी में अभी डिस्टर्बेंस डिस्कस किया ना, डिसीज, तो हर ऑर्गन इज कॉम्प्रोमाइज. किसी का अगर गट हेल्थ कॉम्प्रोमाइज है, ऐसा नहीं है कि लिवर हेल्थ या हार्ट हेल्थ में कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होगा, या हेयर फॉल, हेयर इश्यूज नहीं होंगे. सो कहीं ना कहीं दीज आर ऑल सिग्नल्स, एंड आई ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट रीगेनिंग हेल्थ. सो वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक्स ऑफ द बॉडी, इसमें कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आपको एक सिंगल सिल्वर बुलेट बोल दूँ कि श्रेया डू दिस एंड आपके पीरियड्स एकदम नॉर्मल हो जाएंगे. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द एनिमीज फॉर योर बॉडी. जस्ट लाइक आज हमने थोड़ा सा बेसिक कवर. वाई लुक अप टू द वेस्ट व्हेन वी ऑलरेडी हैव द बेस्ट.
Out. We need to follow the timings of the meals, or otherwise we need to follow the when we feel hungry we need to eat. Like, what's the option for that?
Okay, so firstly, I mean, you have to sync your circadian rhythm, circadian cycle, and it is also about, I mean, उसी में आपको intuitive eating लानी पड़ेगी based on when your body needs to eat. So, I mean, for some people it's like eating 3 meals a day. For some people it is more like eating 5 meals a day, but a smaller portions, right? So breakfast, lunch and dinner, largely I talk about that, and I also incorporate based on your body's requirement. If you feel more hungry, then what could be the other snacking options in the middle.
The health is good, our life is always good. When we lost it, we will face all the such messy things.
Absolutely. Physical health, mental health, emotional health, everything is interconnected. Shreya, what do you think? What is the definition of health?
I think health is life. When you have good health, you have good life. There is happiness in your life.
Yes. Yes.
Without health, I think there cannot be anything good in your life. You have everything, but you are not happy without it.
Absolutely. That is what I always talk about. Ki health is basically, there are many complicated definitions, but if you have to simplify, it is the relationship between you and your body. आपका खुद से कैसा रिश्ता है. Once you improve your खुद से खुद का रिश्ता, all your relationships depend on that relationship, the relationship that you share with your own body. And in Hindi, it's a very powerful ancient Ayurvedic proverb, जिसका आज वेस्ट में कह लो या इंडिया में कह लो बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस है. आप जो खाते हो, आपका मेंटल हेल्थ, जैसा अन्न वैसा मन, जैसा मन वैसा तन, वो आपकी बॉडी पे दिखाई ही देगा. कोई अगर बोलता भी है दैट आई एम हेल्दी, द बॉडी विल रिफ्लेक्ट, इट विल, I mean, the body is such a beautiful, intelligent gift from the mother nature. It will always give you signals when you're not treating it right. So it is all interconnected. The food you're eating, your mindset, and your body. So this is the foundation. I want.
First of all, I love the session. I want to ask you about hair loss.
Okay. So hair loss. सबसे पहले अगर आपने कैंसर के केसेस में भी देखा होगा तो उनके बाल झड़ने लगते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज बॉडी को जब आप न्यूट्रिशन नहीं दे रहे हो, प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन नहीं दे रहे हो, तो सबसे पहले हेयर को सप्लाई कट की जाती है. और जब हेयर को सप्लाई कट की जाएगी तो आई मीन हेयर लॉस, जब उसको न्यूट्रिशन ही नहीं मिलेगा, इट विल चोक, इट विल रिजल्ट इन टू डेथ. सो दैट रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हेयर लॉस. सो तभी तो जब न्यूट्रिशन की बात आती है, आई नो पीपल हु आर हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट एंड ऑल, एंड आई ऑल्सो कीप आस्किंग देम कि क्या हेयर हेल्थ के लिए बेटर किया जा सकता है. सो इवन बीइंग, आई मीन, अ डिफरेंट लाइन ऑफ प्रोफेशन, दे ऑलवेज एम्फसाइज फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट इज न्यूट्रिशन. सो जब आप अंदर से इंटरनल हेल्थ, ऑब्वियसली बाहर से भी टॉक्सिसिटी होती है, बट आप अंदर से जब उसको प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन दोगे, दैट इज़ वाई आई मीन इंटरनली तो हम देते हैं. दैट इंडिया में एक चीज़ और कॉमन है ना, हम खूब तेल लगाते हैं, सर में ऑयल लगाते हैं. सो इंटरनली भी न्यूट्रिशन देना, एक्सटर्नली भी न्यूट्रिशन देना. करेक्ट? सो दैट इज, आई मीन, अबाउट हेयर लॉस.
I am from Uttarakhand, 17 years old.
Mm-hmm.
and I have thyroid,
Mm-hmm.
and I want to lose weight and cure my thyroid problems. Due to thyroid, I have many other problems like hair loss, weight gain,
Hmm.
and irregular periods, hormonal change.
तो बेसिकली यही होता है ना, जब बॉडी में प्रॉब्लम आती है तो इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट वन ऑर्गन इज अफेक्टेड, right? From tip to toe, all the organs are affected, right? From your hair fall. I'll cover all this in detail. So before we start, let me
We heard about the oil pulling in some movie, Telugu movie.
so you can learn about oil pulling. I have explained it in detail, and this is one of the most powerful techniques, especially in COVID times. I mean, आयुष मिनिस्ट्री ने एक सर्कुलर भी निकाला था, लास्ट ईयर की बात है. लास्ट ईयर आई स्टार्टेड माय यूट्यूब चैनल, एंड देन वन ऑफ माय acquaintances शेयर्ड कि आयुष मिनिस्ट्री ने एक सर्कुलर निकाला है जहां उन्होंने बोला है कि इन कोविड टाइम्स ऑयल पुलिंग इज अ पावरफुल मेथड टू डिटॉक्सिफाई योर बॉडी. And then, what are you expecting from me today? Just so that I can deliver better.
I don't know about this, but you said that this is the scratch. You start from the scratch, right? So I'll start learning from here. I didn't have any goals. Whatever you say, I'll take it.
Oh, great.
So I don't know anything about this.
So you're basically from India only, right?
Yes, I'm from South
South, from where in South?
Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad is like my second home. I've been there. I mean, I've worked there, I've studied there. So it is very close to my heart, and I have clients also from Hyderabad. So it's nice to know and connect with someone from Hyderabad. And